I'm a very bored man with an above average knowledge of organic chemistry, so I thought I would explain what nucleophilic substitution is. The first thing you need to understand is the concept of electronegativity. Now, that essentially means the tendency of an atom to pull the electrons in a bond towards it. The main thing you need to consider here is that a more electronegative atom will pull electrons away from a less electronegative atom if there's a big enough difference in their electronegativity values, like that between carbon and chlorine, for example. Now, the atom with more electrons around it is said to be partially negative, as it's got more electrons around it, as I literally just said, and the other is said to be partially positive, as it's got less electrons around it. Now, this causes the bond to be polar. If you think of a magnet, it has a positive and a negative end. Now, that's the same with this bond, in that one end is slightly positive and one is more negative. Now, what can happen is something called a nucleophile will be attracted to the positive end of the bond and will donate a pair of electrons to the carbon atom. Now, a nucleophile will do this because it will be electron rich itself. This makes a new bond form between the carbon atom and the nucleophile, which causes the electrons in the bond in the old bond to go onto the negative end and form an anion, or a negatively charged ion, and that is literally it. It is that simple.